guys, DJ here, and we all know this phone, okay, right? It's the Poco by Xiaomi. This phone came out from nowhere. It was just like a debut phone company. This was around August 2018, so nearly 5 months. After this, we are unboxing this Poco F1. So let's just, without any further ado, let's just take the unboxing look. So basically the plastic, so that's a pretty big box on the black color with a combination of yellow. That looks really dope. The black box. This is the Poco F1. So I'm unboxing the steel blue. Here it is. Snapdragon 845, liquid cooling, dual cameras, 4000 mAh battery. We all know that. Let's just get in. Alright, so yellow color. I think they've just gone with the combo. What's included? So Poco user guide, some user guide, and English, and also a cover. So yeah, a TPU transparent case, so that's pretty nice compliment. Here is it, the Poco F1. Alright, this is the Poco F1. Let's just keep it aside. We'll take a look at it in 1 second. And here is the charging brick. It supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3. It's a 15 ampere fast charger, really good. And here is the USB type C cable and a SIM ejector tray. So let's keep this all aside. Here is it, the Poco F1, and here's the also this one. So pretty clean look. That's clean. Whoa. Poco. So here are the dual cameras, two dual cameras, and Poco F1. Volume rocker, this itself, the headphone jack, that's great, and SIM ejector tool, and 2 speakers, and the USB type C port over here. It has a hybrid type slot, nothing much to expect there. I'll just put it back over here. Alright. Poco by Xiaomi. It's just taking a second. So it has that MIUI 9. Okay, here we are on the MI Poco F1. That was your look at the Poco F1. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like if you enjoyed the video, subs if you loved it. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys later. Thank you.